What's up, guys? It's me. Yesterday I showed you a video on the new 1022 I bought, the Ruger 1022 from Bass Pro Shops, and I also bought an Archangel 556R kit to build it up, make it look like an AR. Showed you what it was like yesterday. Now I'll show you what it is like today. This is what it looks like now, all modified. Of course, there's this little bit right here, kind of makes it look a little funny looking, but it's alright to me. You got this little thing right here to put a bayonet on. Some of these kits do come with a bayonet and others don't. It comes with this came with a bi-rail. Some of them do come with quad rails and such. You got a 25 round Butler Creek clip here, also from Bass Pro. You see the little Archangel logo there. Looks pretty neat, don't it? There it is on the buttstock too. 6-position buttstock, by the way. It's got I know there's a little thing right here, storage compartment. It's always kind of hard to go back and forth on, but nevertheless, it's a good compartment for storage there. Got my little guy down there I'm gonna shoot up. I shot it before with a 30-06 sighting it in. I finally got that 30-06 sighted in perfect with that Bushnell scope. So start shooting this baby. Real smooth, by the way. Tell it jams up like that. I don't know why it does that. Every time I'm taking a video, it jams up on me. Finally, after all that, I finally got to quit jamming up. I shot it earlier, trying to do the video, it kept jamming up on me, so I turned the video off and then it finally starts doing. Luckily this time I didn't turn it off and now it started to work good. That's the thing about 22s, they always jam up. Now let's go see what I did. Of course I don't have the sights on there right now, so I'm probably going to be shooting all over the place. As you can see here, got a lot up there in a good grouping. This right here, this, these two, and I think this right here, no, that's from today. Yeah, these are from the 30-06. No, yeah, that one, and that one. That one down there, I don't know. But all these up here from the 30-06, the 22 today. Earlier I was shooting at this thing. This is what I did yesterday. I hit it pretty good right through here before I modified it. And then I just started shooting all over the place, all the way up here. And this pole is about as tall as me. Now I was aiming down there, about at the gut. It just ends up going all the way up. Ain't that something? Well, anyways guys, I hope you liked the video. Hit that like button.